Good morning, children. This is your SUPW teacher. Today we will do lesson number 2, personal hygiene. Children, hygiene, that is cleanliness, is very important for good health. Especially in the present scenario of pandemic, good hygiene sense is very important to stay fit and fine. So let's start this lesson. Personal hygiene. Personal hygiene is the first step to good grooming and good health. It refers to the habit of keeping yourself clean. External parts of the body like hair, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, and skin are very important for us. Therefore, every external part of the body needs a certain amount of attention on regular basis. If we do not show proper care towards these external organs, we would surely harm them. Let us learn how we can take care of these parts. Hair. Children, you are blessed with beautiful hair. Always keep them clean and healthy. You should wash your hair at least twice a week using a mild shampoo. After applying the shampoo, wait for 5 to 10 minutes and then wash the hair. Always dry your hair after every wash. Comb or brush them 3 to 4 times a day. Use a good comb or a brush with soft bristle. Also, wash and clean your comb or brush regularly. Oil your hair at least once a week, preferably an hour before washing them. Adopt a style which suits your face and which you can maintain easily. So cleanliness, that is hygiene of your body, should be done very carefully, should be taken care of it very nicely. Hair, everyone has got children, you have got beautiful hair, you should take care of the hair. There are few steps you can take care of them to keep your hair healthy. First, you should clean it. Cleanliness is the first step of healthy life. So, keep your hair clean and healthy. For this, you can wash your hair with nice shampoo, mild shampoo, and it should be shampooed at least twice a week. Means 2 times in a week you should wash your hair and wait for 5 to 10 minutes after washing the hair and then wash it. Wait after shampooing, wait for 5 to 10 minutes and then wash it. Then dry it and don't keep it wet. You have to dry it nicely. After when it is dried up, you can brush. You should brush or comb it with a mild, soft bristle brush. Use. Then another thing, you should oil your hair also at least once a week. So this way you can take care of your hair. Now the second point is body and skin. Taking a bath or a shower once or twice a day is very important for your body and skin. By taking bath, you clean your body and ensure that your skin rejuvenates itself. By scrubbing your body with a good soap, you slough off the dead and dry skin. This results in healthy, fresh, and glowing skin. Moreover, throughout the day, dust embeds on your face. So it becomes very important to wash your face at least twice a day to remove the embedded dust. This gives your face a charming look. So taking care of your skin, you can, when you are taking bath, you should scrub it with a good soap so that the dead skin is dry off, and then dry it with a nice soft towel so that your skin will glow. And same you should do with your face also. Twice, at least twice a day, you should wash your face, because every time you see, atmosphere is full of dust. So these dust sit on your face and makes it dull. So when you'll wash it nicely, it will give you a charming look. Third point, teeth. You need only 60 seconds to give your teeth a good dental care. Brush your teeth twice a day and rinse them well after every meal. Brushing the teeth before going to bed is very important, especially for those people who eat a lot of sweets. See children, you also eat lot of toffees, so you should take good care of your teeth. Brush your teeth twice a day. After every meal, you should brush your teeth rather. And brush should be very soft, and when you are brushing it, very nicely brush it round, so that teeth will not get hurt, your gums will not get hurt. This way you can take care of your teeth. Hands. There are a lot of microorganisms and germs around us. Some of these germs and bacteria accumulate on our hands. When they enter the body, they cause illness. So, you must keep on washing your hands. And in this scenario, washing hand is very important in this corona days. Washing your hand is very important. Otherwise also, you should keep your hands clean before and after every meal. Before having meal, you should wash your hands. When you go to the toilet after coming, you should wash your hands. And in between these days, so you have to keep on washing your hands. Therefore, wash your hands before and after every meal and after using the toilet. Dry your hands using clean towel. Also, wash your hands after playing outdoor games, after playing with pets, and after returning from the market. Always keep a clean handkerchief to wipe your hands when necessary. Nails. Pink nails are a sign of healthy body. Keep your nails clean and trimmed. Brittle or discolored nails show the presence of some disease or deficiency in a person's body. See children, healthy nails are pink nails, and if they are brittle or discolored, that means there is some disease present in your body, or there is some deficiency. Sometimes you have seen your nails, white patches are there in the nails. That shows there is a deficiency of calcium in you. Same way, and brittle nails shows that there is some disease present in you. Then take care of your nails, keep them clean, and time to time cut them when they grow big. Next is feet. Like your hands, your feet too need regular care and treatment. Give your feet a good scrub with a sponge, pumic, or a foot scrubber whenever you take a bath. Keep your toenail clean and clipped. Always wear a comfortable footwear. So, these are the routine course you must follow without fail. These activities are important for your personal hygiene. If you fail to follow these, you will not only look untidy but you may also fall sick. What are head lice? Lice are tiny insects that live on human head in the hair and suck blood to nourish themselves. Your hair is your crowning glory. Keep them clean. Lice thrive on unclean hair and cause great harm to your hair and skull. Children, especially, are prone to lice infestation. Lice spread from one child to another whether there is when there is a close contact, especially in schools. They make the scalp itchy and therefore cause annoyance and embarrassment. Nobody likes a person infested with lice. Therefore, one must get rid of them. See, children, if you will keep your hair clean, lice will not come in that. And you know, lice is an insect that suck blood from the scalp. And it's very irritating and very embarrassing also when in front of someone you are sitting and itching is happens that make so nobody likes a person who is infested with the lice. So we must take care to get rid of them, and especially to the school children. They are most of the it happens with the children especially. Why? Because they sit close together. So there are so many shampoos present in the market. Use those shampoos and keep your hair. You can keep your hair clean. How to get rid of lice? There are many anti-lice lotions available in the market, but the home remedy is the best remedy. Point 1. Take 2 or 3 naphthalene balls or DDT powder. Number 2. If you use naphthalene balls, make a fine powder out of them. Add some water in the powder to make a smooth paste. Apply this paste deep into your hair. Cover your hair with a clean and warm towel. Wait for at least half an hour. Wash your hair with a mild shampoo. Follow the above process at least once a week. This will help you to get rid of the lice and keep your hair clean and healthy. So this way you can keep your hair clean. There is a home remedy also given here using naphthalene balls or DDT powder. How to use the naphthalene balls? You can make powder of that. Then add little water, make it a paste and apply it on your hair. And after applying it, cover your hair for at least half an hour and then wash it. If you'll do twice or 2 times or 3 times, once in a week, next week again, you will get rid of the lice also. So the lesson is completed.